All right, the euro against the American dollar for today. This has been a good trade so far. A price is still pushing in our direction. We have over analyzed this pair actually, and congratulations to those of you who joined in this direction for this trade. This pair still has a long way to go. As you can see in the monthly time frame, this is my target. This is the area I am expecting price to come to. Okay, let me just give you that value around the 1.2647 area, 1.2647 area. That is where I'm expecting price to push up to. Okay, it's an area I'm expecting price to come all the way there, and that is why I have not taking anything out of that trade. Actually, that's the remaining 50%. The first 50% has been cashed out, so I am leaving the remaining 50% to keep running in the euro against the American dollar. So that trade will be there according to my plan. I am not going to touch it. Okay, now looking into the daily time frame, what next? Well, as you can see in the daily time frame, in fact far beyond my expectation, we got price breaking a key area of resistance. This is a key area of resistance. You can see how price has been topping out around that area, and the breakout is a solid momentum bar. Okay, you can see that a candle right here, heavyweight candle, telling you or giving you the hint that the market volume at this particular area of the chart is happening at a heavy momentum. Okay, with plenty of volume around this area. We are not seeing those shaky candles like this one here or this one here. We are seeing a heavy momentum breakout candle. Okay, that's one criteria of a breakout. Once you see that, you are assured that price will keep pushing in that direction. Now we should be looking for excuse me, we should be looking for continuation formations of this key level of resistance, former resistance, that may now act as a support. And what type of price reaction do we need to see? We should begin to see some pullbacks. All right, remember the breakout went too far away from this key area of former resistance. See it closing up there, it is just too far away. So you are going to rule out the breakout congestion continuation pattern. For the breakout congestion continuation pattern, you actually want the breakout to just close slightly above that key level that you are watching, then followed by the congestion bar. But for this, it went too far away, so we should see some little pullbacks. What I will want to see is either let's see 1 to 3 red candles pullback. All right, then any reversal you see around that area, that can be any color of candle, either green or red, or even a doji or a pin bar. Let's say you find this, any of those reversal formations that you are familiar with, then we are going to see another solid push to the upside in the euro against the American dollar. And obviously that should go really far, that should go far away, probably breaking the next level of resistance that we have right here. Okay, so that is what we are watching out right now. This reversal candle is what you should be able to identify if you're familiar with reversal patterns. All right, it could be a pin bar, it could be a doji, it could be a spinning top. All right, small body, small wicks up and down. It could also be a railway track, any of that around that area could be the reversal. So our plan here is to wait to see what type of reaction we are going to get here, and we'll be adding more long entries in the euro against the American dollar. Well, let's wait for that. There is no need to rush over things, simply wait for that to pull back. In the 4 hours time frame, this trend line is still valid, even though it is leaning just too much as well. It is still valid. In the 1 hour time frame, price seems to be taking a little bit of a retracement. This level is now being broken. We can keep this trend line. You should not be clicking on your sell button. There are just too many levels of support. This line here is a level of support. Price comes back down there, it might be finding support of that line, but we're not going to click on our buy button. Remember, we are following this in the daily time frame. Okay, so actually I'm not going to keep that line. Let me just keep Friday's high. Need to be simple enough. It seems we are seeing that little retracement channel. You can see how price is swinging around here. Anyway, let's follow this totally in the daily time frame. This is our time frame of reference. Let's keep our eyes here, following this pair for another push to the upside. All right, enough of this. Let's look into another pair or other pairs in our review and see what we have waiting for us.